Hello everyone, do you remember this welcome sign I made before? Today I will use a white and green color of flower and leaf to make a decoration. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's make our flower arrangement. Take our flower bowl and flower foam. Then I will use this green and white flower. A lot of green and white flower and leaf to make the flower arrangement. And also I will use different lengths of the stem. Look, use our short stem, different lengths of stem to go with our flower head and leaf, and then make the arrangement. Look, after we insert the leaf on the foam, we are now putting some flowers. Because our color is white and green, so I will only use these two colors of flowers. Look, I have this one. Look at it. I like to use thick ones to make the arrangement taller. Then I have this flower also. And finally, we will use this small leaf to cover the foam. Look, we can see through the flower and see the floral foam. So we need to put more flower and leaves to cover the floral foam. So I will use this small leaf. Okay, look, the flower arrangement completed. Then let's set up the pedestal and decorate our welcome sign. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Let's open it. If you want to check the detail of this pedestal, you can check my old tutorial. Find the link from the information field below this video. I have different sizes. Okay, look, this is the pedestal. Let's put some candle for decoration. And also our flower arrangement. We'll put it in front of our pedestal. Okay, look. Now let's check the flower arrangement we made. Look. We can use some longer stem to make the flower wider. That will be better. Okay, now so everything was set up. Let's check the whole effect. If you are interested to watch the tutorial about how to make this welcome sign, you can find the link to the video from description below this video. And if you want to get this template to make your own welcome sign, you can inbox me via Facebook page.